Yo, what is up, everybody? It's P-Sci, and we are starting the meat diet. I've got my bacon grease cooking with my water and beef tips. Gonna be with salt in the crock pot for the rest of the night, so it's around like 11. I'm gonna wake up around 6. So, like, a good 7 hours. 7 or 8 hours should be good. I've got my bacon ready to go, thick cut, of course. I'm gonna be doing it in the oven. I've never done that before, but I don't have time to be putting it on a pan right now. I gotta eat this starting in November. But yeah, it's gonna be really good. And I've got my chicken going right now. Oh yeah, should be done soon. Look at that, so crispy. You gotta pat it down with a towel. So, for the bacon, you're gonna have your oven at 400 for 10 to 20 minutes, depending on how you want it to look. And you just basically put it on a rack with foil. And then for the chicken, you just pat your chicken down that you buy from the store, and you can season it lightly with some salt. Put it on a rack and bake it at 425 for a solid 35 minutes, or until the internal temperature is 185 degrees for the tenderness. That's what we're talking about. But yeah, we're going to be vlogging a lot more. So stay tuned, and we're going to have a great time with this. Okay, guys? I'll talk to you later.